I had arranged the time in advance, but the staff missed it, so it started an hour late. Other than that, everything else was good. Although they couldn't communicate in English, I liked how they tried their best to explain things to me. I also confirmed that they were making it hygienically. Above all, the homemade pineapple cake was really delicious. It was a rare experience to take the children to experience handmade suncakes for the first time. The teacher is very kind and patient. When entering the handicraft classroom, you need to wash your hands first, and then go through the dust removal room before you can start handicraft. A great classroom experience, both children and adults are happy. The teacher teaches carefully and pays attention to environmental hygiene. Thank you for providing such a good activity. It is a parent-child memory worth experiencing, and the master explains the process in detail. The kids were very quick and I was worried whether the finished product would be edible, but it turned out to be really delicious. Everyone was very satisfied with the shape. Higley recommended if you like to eat pineapple tarts/biscuits. You get to eat what you make. The session is about 20 minutes and the dough and fillings were ready when you began. Very good experience. Remember to call and make your appointment early. The location is easy to find, next to the semiconductor market. And we can pick up the sun cake before the store closed. It's really a very good experience. The master's instructions are clear and very friendly. It doesn't take much time, but the results are very satisfying. The materials have been prepared for us to make. It can be made without measuring the portions. It is simple and fast. After making, you can get something when you come back. Really fun and simple activity. The whole process took about 15 to 20 minutes, with the biscuits requiring an hour of baking which can be collected later. Love the experience of this DIY session. The instructor was really nice and patient, and there were proper hygiene procedures. The sun cakes tasted so good too. When you enter the factory, the dough and pies have been pre-made by the master. You only need to wrap it manually, and the finished product will be ready an hour later. The process of making sun cakes is more complicated, but the process of making pineapple cakes is very simple and suitable for children too. The process of making phoenix cake is simple for children, but making sun cake requires more skills. The two finished products also taste great. It doesn't take long to make, but everyone will take home their own sun cakes, 6 pieces in total. The admission fee for children under 12 years old is 50 yuan. But there will be no finished product. It's a cool experience that ends quickly. The experience lasts about 5 minutes. You will be taught how to knead the dough first, and then you can use it to shape it into your favorite shape. The experience of sun cake is very special, relaxing and fun. It's easy for both adults and children to make. People who like sun cakes are very suitable to try it. The production time is over within half an hour. You can wander around and then go over to pick up the finished product. The production process is explained in detail, and disinfection measures are taken beforehand. It is a good place to go on a rainy day. In the hot summer, you can make sun cakes in the air-conditioned room. It's so comfortable. You can make it into the shape you want. It's also very cute when baked. The baker is very attentive and will help correct the crooked ones. It's a great experience. Smiley face. Suitable for children. Quite good experience, but the DIY process is very simple. It was really fun. And the cakes were yummy. We can pay 50 NT more to run both the pineapple and other cakes at the same time. The experience is very good. The master will prepare the materials in advance and then teach you step by step how to make it. The production is very successful and gives you a sense of accomplishment.